Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Osmi Education. Today topic is current affairs, multiple questions answer. So question number one, who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director CMD of CDB? Its right answer is Manoj Mittal. Next question, who has been appointed as the leader of opposition in the UP Assembly? Right answer is Mata. Its right answer is Mata Prasad Pandey. Next question number 3. Which company has launched Asia's first low carbon zinc EcoZinc? EcoGen. Its right answer is Hindustan Zinc. Its right answer is Hindustan Zinc. Next question number 4. Which country won the Women's Asia Cup 2024? Its right answer is Sri Lanka. Next and last question number 5. Who became the first Indian driver to win a Formula 2 race at the Hungarian Grand Prix? Right answer is Usmani. Thank you for watching this video and more likes and comments. Thank you. Thank you. Namaskar.